The truth about getting your ex back and why chasing them pushes them away. Imagine this. You're standing on a beach at sunset, the waves lapping at your feet. In your hands, you clutch a handful of sand tightly, desperately. But the harder you squeeze, the faster it slips through your fingers. That's what trying to get your ex back feels like. Every text you send, every late night scroll through old photos, every mental replay of what went wrong, it's all you whispering to the universe, I don't have them. I'm missing them. I'm incomplete. And the universe, it nods and says, this is what you deserved. Because here's the secret you already sense. What you radiate is what you attract. If you vibrate with longing, you attract more longing. If you vibrate with absence, you deepen the absence. But if you vibrate with wholeness, with the same joy, passion, and aliveness you once felt with them, that's when magic stirs. The real reason you want them back. It's the way your chest warmed when they laughed. It's the safety of their hand in yours on a crowded street. It's the way the world felt softer, brighter, more possible when they were near. Those feelings still exist. They're not locked in the past or tied to that one person. They live in you waiting to be awakened. But here's the painful truth. Even if they come back, it won't be the same. Time doesn't freeze. You've both changed. The relationship you're craving, it's already gone, not because it wasn't beautiful, but because all moments fade. That's what makes them unique. Trying to resurrect the past is like chasing the last note of a song after the music has ended. The strange paradox of letting go. I've heard it 1,000 times, stories that feel like fate playing a joke. The second you stop waiting for their text, they text. The day you dive into a new passion, they suddenly sense your energy shift. The moment you truly think, I'll be okay without them, they reappear. Why? Because detachment isn't surrender. It's trust. It's you declaring, I am enough, with or without them. And that energy, it's magnetic. And this is crucial. If they return, it won't be a reunion of old ghosts. It'll be something new, maybe deeper, maybe not. And that's okay. What to do instead? Stop chasing shadows. Every frantic effort screams lack. Instead, ask, how can I feel those cherished emotions now? They're everywhere in friendships, sunsets, creativity. Let the past die. Grieve it. What's coming can't bloom until you stop clinging to fallen leaves. Fall in love with your life. Fill your days with so much joy that their return would simply be a bonus, not your salvation. The irony. That's when they often reappear when you no longer need them. But by then, you might not even care. Because you've discovered the real secret. The love you sought was never outside you to begin with.